All right, you guys, we made it to the second night school of 2025. We're talking all things intro to studio lighting, my absolute favorite. I love all things studio. Today we cover modifiers, different types of lights, how to basically just be intentional about what kind of shots you're gonna create when you're in studio. And we're having a lot of fun doing it. If you missed this one, then you missed out. Before I start just like shooting my subject and I got the lights on, got everything set up, the first thing I'm gonna do is camera settings. Basically what I wanna do is kill all the ambient lighting. So the ambient lighting is all the lights that are happening around the studio that's not coming from my direct light source. So now I'm gonna turn my light on.
Oh man, today's class was dope. Mecca Clark, hey, she is the bomb.com. I'm not lying, man. She taught me a lot about basic lighting to really up my game, and I really appreciate it, man. I've been watching her for a minute.
One piece of information that I took from the class was definitely my settings. I was afraid to play with high f-stops, but seeing it used in practice, it just really blew my mind.
As soon as you're done eating, take your time. I don't like being rushed to eat. This is now a perfect time if you want to play around with the lighting, ask some questions, test out some of the concepts we were covering today. The best way to improve is simply just to practice. Well, I'm so grateful and happy that all of you guys took the time out to come. We're gonna take a picture because we some content girlies and we're gonna go home. Night school!